Hello, Posh Pros. It's Megan. Well, you're not crazy. It's happening to me too. The algorithm is screwed up again. I can't believe it. Like, it didn't work last month and they were like, oops, sorry. And now it's happening again. So I did a little research because my sales were just since the beginning of April. I mean, I'm selling, but they're off. And I couldn't figure out why. And then I look and I see other people saying the same thing. And then I see this commercial.
Ready to clean out your closet and make cash while you do it? Poshmark is the #1 way to buy and sell fashion.
You know, up until April 1st, we were looking much more frequently at this commercial.
I've saved so much money shopping on Poshmark, I don't think I'll ever pay full retail again.
This is my Louis Vuitton Epi leather bag. I bought this on Poshmark. If I bought it in store, it's gonna cost me way more.
It lets me access the brands and designers that fit with my taste and that also fit with my budget.
Right? Seems pretty clear that Poshmark is favoring newcomers versus the old guard, us, the veterans, the ones that make all the money. So I was curious as to why that might be. And so I did a little research. This is Poshmark. They went public last year. In its simplest terms, Poshmark didn't hit the mark. Their holiday sales did not do anything like their projections. They're also having this huge issue with Apple. Apple's privacy rules have changed dramatically, and without getting deep into the woods, it means that Apple made it a lot harder for companies to track users. They have switched it up. They're trying to show value. So of course they would want to show value with added newcomers at a very high rate because newcomers are very valuable data. They have lots of pretty little information that Poshmark can sell, and that means lots of money for their stockholders. The other issue that is compounding this problem is that when you want to show value, you want to have as much money in your bank account as possible, right? If you're buying a house, you need to show all the money is in your bank account so you don't buy a new dishwasher. You don't buy any furniture. You don't do anything until it's closed, right? Same thing here. So I looked, I Googled, and Poshmark's not coming up. Not nearly as much. When I'm searching for what to sell something for or what something's named, I'm not finding Poshmark versions of that thing. Now you can search inside of Poshmark, obviously, but if you search Google before April 1st, Poshmark. It's not Poshmark anymore. And that's because they're not paying Google Analytics. They're not paying to get traffic to our closets right now because they want to keep their money in their bank accounts to show value. So I don't know how long this is going to go on because we need Google Analytics. But this is what I'm going to tell you to do, okay? And this is what I'm doing. First and foremost, I paid my virtual assistant double this month, and I'm going to pay her double next month. And I'm going to amp up my sharing because the people that are on Poshmark and shop on Poshmark and are there looking for something are already there. You don't need Google for that. They came there already. So those people are there to shop and you want them to see your product. So you're going to need to share into your followers and into the feed as much as possible. Share your own closet. A, 100% most important thing. B, list. Keep listing because new listings amp the algorithm no matter what else is going on, and keeps churning people into your closet. So list, and if you don't have anything to list, relist. Relist is the same as list. Just relist something. Delist it, relist it. Relist it, kill the old one. Over and over again. 5 a day. 5 a day consistently. You have to do this for a little while. I started a little research project and started this new closet. It's a baby closet. I'm a newbie as far as Poshmark knows in this closet. I'm going to migrate a few of my products over there, and I started with one purse, and I'm going to see if there is any difference and if there is cause truly for all of this that's going on. And just keep working it, folks. We need to list and share. You're going to have to just be happy with the Poshmark people that are on there and shopping. There's millions of people on there every day. They don't all come in from Google. They already love us. They love Poshmark. They're there to shop. They know we have good deals. And maybe all of these newcomers that they're attracting like flies will buy our stuff. So new customers, same as the old customers, right? We might as well attract some of these newbies to our awesome products. So we're going to share to them and we're going to get them to buy our things, right? And 2, list new things. List. List and share. I'm going to keep researching. And I will come back immediately with any breaking news that I may find out about this situation. And otherwise, just keep working it, guys. I love you. Talk to you soon.